Welcome to this step-by-step guide to AWS Amplify user pools, a comprehensive service offered by AWS that enables you to manage user directories and authentication for your web and mobile applications. First, you need to create an AWS account and install the AWS Amplify CLI, which is a toolchain that helps you to create, build, and manage scalable mobile applications. Next, you need to configure the Amplify project by running the command amplify init in your project directory. This command will prompt you to choose the authentication method, and you should select user pools. After that, you need to create a user pool by running the command amplify auth add. This will create a new user pool in your AWS account. You can then configure the user pool settings such as password policy, account recovery, and more. Once the user pool is created, you can integrate it with your application by using the Amplify authentication library. This library provides a set of APIs that enable you to authenticate users, manage user sessions, and more. You can also use the Amplify UI components to build a user interface for your application. These components are pre-built and customizable, and they provide a seamless user experience. To secure your user pool, you should enable multi-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your application. You should also use a secure password policy and enable account recovery to help users recover their accounts in case they forget their passwords. Best practices for using AWS Amplify user pools include using a secure connection to your application, monitoring your user pool for suspicious activity, and regularly updating your Amplify CLI and libraries. In conclusion, AWS Amplify user pools provide a scalable and secure way to manage user directories and authentication for your web and mobile applications. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and seamless user experience for your users.